Okay, second type of changing ratio. Just now, total was unchanged. Okay, now we have one that remains unchanged. So what kind of questions are this? Okay, Joe and Ken made some paper cranes in the ratio 1 to 3. After Joe made 14 more paper cranes, the ratio became 3 to 2. Okay, we know that Joe made more. The ratio changed again. In this case, Joe is the one that changed. Okay, he's the one who made more paper cranes, but the number of paper cranes that Ken made doesn't change. Okay, he made this number of paper cranes at the beginning. After that, it still remains the same. He didn't make any extra. So in this case, the one unchanged actually refers to Ken. And in this case, we must make sure Ken's units remains the same for both before and after. And how do we do that? Okay, let's look at the ratio. Before is 1 to 3. After is 3 to 2. So we know Joe is the one that plus 14. And Ken, we also know that Ken is the one that remained unchanged. And it is not possible for it to be 3 in one scenario and 2 in the other scenario. What we do is we change both to the same number of units. And how do we do that? We make sure we have lowest common multiple. Okay, and lowest common multiple is 6. So the first ratio we multiply by 2 throughout. Second ratio we multiply by 3. So that gives me 2 to 6 before. After is 9 to 6. Ken does not change, but we see that Joe changes. So what was the increase in the number of units? 9 units minus 2 units, that gives me 7 units. And this 7 units is actually represented by the amount, the number of paper cranes that Joe made extra. Okay, again, this question doesn't tell us what to solve. It's for us to understand the scenario and situation. Okay, take a